Hey guys, we're at the parts store. Me and Ole Red. And again, another repair. But we had to repair the power steering line. I'm not sure if y'all, well, the line was busted like right here. So, stopped in at the neighborhood friendly O'Reilly's Auto Parts in Alabama, and they had what I needed, because O'Reilly's always has what I need. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to get on here real quick, make a quick video. I might insert some of the video of me actually working on the truck, but yep, power steering on top of everything else. I had to buy a new wrench because I did not bring a 3/4 with me. Ah, shit. Oh, what are you all gonna see that? I ain't going in there straight. But yeah, we got her fixed. Figured out what was wrong with the radiator. The bottom of it's clogged up. So I'm gonna have to take it out and power wash it and clean the veins on it. Check it out. It's a Ford trying to start. That old diesel don't sound healthy. But anyway, guys. Anyway, we're gonna get to the hotel and blow this popsicle stand. Alright, later.